The Open Data Protocol, or OData, creates standardized REST APIs for create, read, update, and delete operations on SQL, non-SQL, and other data sources in the cloud. In addition, you can filter and query data using the OData standard. The ability to connect a decision model with OData is a unique Trisotech capability. In a prior 5-minute video, I built this decision model. It computes loyalty points based on purchases in a shopping cart. Now we're going to connect the decision model with SQL data in the cloud. And there are three basic steps for this. First, we're going to export the metadata from Postman. Then we're going to import the OData metadata into the operational library of the Trisotech software. And then we're going to add two business knowledge models to our decision model. One that retrieves customer records and another one that updates the total sales and total loyalty points. So let's get going. So let's go to Postman and get our metadata. So you go to the URL /$metadata, copy that to a clipboard, move the clipboard contents to a file, save that as odata.txt. And then we're going to go to the operational library, import the OData file, and 5 tables comes in. We'll select customer sales, enter the URL of the server where the OData is located. Let's look at the operations we created. You see we have get, find, create, update, and delete. We'll go to get customer sales, and we're going to add single parentheses around customer ID to make it easy to use in our decision model. Now we're ready to move this into our decision model. Create two BKMs, one called select customer data, another one called update customer data. In the operation decision logic, we define select customer data as an operation, get customer sales, and update customer is an operation, update customer sales. Now we can add it to our decision logic. So create a row in our context above. We'll call it customer, and that's going to be an invocation of get select customer data, providing customer ID with the shopping cart.phone number. Then at the bottom, we're going to create a context step called update customer data. And that'll be an invocation of the update customer data. Customer ID, again, is shopping cart.phone number. Remove the name, we're not updating that. And then we update purchases to customer.purchases plus total cost, and loyalty points to customer.loyalty points plus loyalty points. Now let's test these changes. Go back to Postman, and in the URL of the OData server, enter the table name, customer sales, and then in parentheses, the primary key, which is the phone number of the customer with the shopping cart. If we query that, we see we have purchases at 500 and loyalty points at 2510. Let's make sure those records come back. So we go back to execution test, go to the items. We have 1 at 10 and 2 at 20, $50 worth of stuff. Then we execute that. We can see that we bought back the proper record, 500 and 2510, and we've updated purchases with 550 and 2760. Go back to Postman and requery. You see we have 550, 2760. So it worked properly. By standardizing CRUD operations in REST, the OData protocol simplifies the connection of data to just about any application. The unique ability of the Trisotech Decision Modeler to connect to OData offers the possibility of creating a complete microservice in DMN, one that does not need to return to calling applications or processes. I hope you found this information useful. My email is tom@advancedcomms.com, and of course, Trisotech is available at trisotech.com.